A certificate of completion is available for this course, but it's only available when you have 100% of the course complete. And we're going to jump into Udemy now in a second, and I'm going to show you how to see what percentage of the course that you have complete and where to get this certificate from. Just some quick learning tips as well on this course. Take the quiz first. There's a quiz at the very end of this course, so why don't you hop into the quiz, take the quiz now and see what you know and what you don't know. Then you can go back and you can watch the videos. Watch the videos first on high speed and then watch the videos again on low speed for the aspects that you don't understand. Then you can go back and you can take the quiz again, and you'll quickly see how much knowledge you have gained from taking this introductory course. So let's hop now into Udemy and have a look at this. So here we are in Udemy, and I am enrolled in a Udemy course on Udemy policies. And you can see here from this that the certificate is available up here, but to get the certificate I need to actually complete the course. And this here is your completion bar, and this will show you how much of the course you actually have complete. Now when you're watching the course or viewing the course, you will see these icons here with green, and the ones that have a tick mark in them are complete. The ones that aren't fully ticked are incomplete. Now when you're in a particular lecture, you have the option of actually marking the lecture as complete by ticking this button down here. Now when you're playing the lesson, I said to you it can be done at different speeds. So down here you can watch it on normal speed, which is 1, but you can also watch it on fast speed, which will speed up the process and will give you a second way of actually listening to it. So my recommendation is that you always listen to the lectures twice. You listen to them on a slow speed and you listen to them on a fast speed. That means that you will retain the information for an awful lot longer, and you'll also get a better understanding of it. These tips can be applied to any course that you take here on Udemy. So let's go on with our course and hop into the learning experience.